but adopt a wealth mindset. Think long-term. Wealth builds over time, not overnight. Believe it's possible. Self-belief fuels action. Avoid victim mentality. Take full responsibility for your financial future. 2. Invest in financial education. Learn about personal finance, budgeting, saving, debt, investing, stocks, real estate, business, passive income, and compound interest. Read books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, The Millionaire Next Door, or The Psychology of Money. 3. Increase your income. Get a high-income skill, e.g., coding, sales, marketing, copywriting, trading. Start a side hustle, freelancing, content creation, tutoring, etc. Build multiple income streams. Don't rely on one job or business alone. 4. Save and invest wisely. Save a portion of every income. Aim for 20 to 40% if possible. Invest early and regularly. Build assets, not liabilities. Assets equals things that put money in your pocket. Investments, rental properties, online businesses. Liabilities equals things that take money out. Debt, expensive gadgets, unnecessary expenses. Focus on owning assets that generate passive income. Think like an entrepreneur. Look for problems you can solve. Where there's demand, there's money. Start small, test ideas, and scale what works. Leverage the internet. It's the fastest way to reach people and grow wealth today. Stay consistent and disciplined. Avoid get-rich-quick traps. Stay patient. Wealth builds like a snowball. Live below your means while building up. Bonus tips. Network with successful people. Track your net worth. Protect your wealth. Insurance, legal structures. Give back. Generosity creates abundance.